Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Question number 1, we have the formula in here. That's about a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, we have number 9. Number 9, that's about 3 squared. So we have s minus 3 multiplied by s plus 3. Next, we apply about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 3, capital B over s plus 3. Later that, we do common denominator. So we have a multiplied by s plus 3 and b multiplied by s minus 3. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of s. So about s, we have a plus b. About nothing, we have 3a minus 3b. So if we look carefully about coefficient of s, we have number 1. So that means a plus b equals to number 1. 3a minus 3b equals to number 9. And now we create the system of equations. Now we calculate the solution of a and b. So a equal to number 2, b equals to negative number 1. So we put number 2 and negative number 1 in here. A equal to number 2, b equal to negative number 1. The integration of this one, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of s minus 3. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of s plus 3. And we put about c. Question number 2, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have 2u du equals to 2s ds. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change for u. S ds we change for u du. So this one we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. About u, that's about the square root. Now let's go to the next one. This one we need to use about integration by parts. So we have u equal to s squared minus number 9. So we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 2s ds dv, we have cosine s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to sine s. So we have u multiplied by v minus du multiplied by v. So we have number 2 in here. And we have the integration s sine s ds. Next, we continue use integration by parts. And now we put about u equals to s du equals to ds dv. We have sine s ds. The integration of sine s, we have negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have negative s cosine s. Because we have the negative sign in here, so we have positive, and we have the integration cosine s ds. The integration of cosine s, we have sine s, and we put about c. Now let's go to the last one. S to the power of 3, we can put about s squared multiplied by s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So I will put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, because we still have about s squared in here. So we put negative number 9 go to the left. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change for u. S squared we change for u squared plus 9. S ds we change for u du. We simplify the integration of u squared. We have u to the power of 3 over 3. About number 9, we have 9u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.